You've probably eaten banana blossom before, but you've never seen how it's actually made like this. This old school factory process is raw, messy, and surprisingly satisfying to watch. Wait till you see what happens at the end. First, fresh banana blossoms arrive at the factory. They are stacked and prepared for processing. Then the blossoms move forward, line by line, heading to the next stage of the process. Now the washing process begins. Each batch is washed 1 to 2 times to remove dirt and unwanted materials. After washing, the blossoms move again through the production line. At this stage, all the visible waste is carefully removed.
Keep the line moving. We've got a deadline. Turn up the pressure on the wash.
Next, the cleaned blossoms are laid out and left to dry properly.
Separated. Watch the gears. Keep them moving. Check the count.
Once dried, the blossoms are crushed to break them down into smaller pieces. After crushing, they go through a cutting process to make the pieces even finer. Then comes grinding.
Keep them coming. Adjusting the flow.
Everything is ground down into a thick, smooth paste.
Monitoring the pressure.
Even after grinding, any remaining waste is removed to ensure better quality.
Keep it flowing. Almost done with this batch.
Now the paste is transferred into large industrial tanks. Here it is mixed with milk and other fresh ingredients and blended until perfectly smooth.
The line is moving. Check the pressure. Looks good, boss. Just keep it steady.
Finally, the finished product is packed carefully and shipped out to different places around the world.